much. So much. This I miss you so much. I hope you come back for one tomorrow and miss you so much. I only miss you soon, Daddy, because I really want you to come back. Bye, Daddy. I'm going to school to learn a lot. Hi, Daddy. I miss you so much. I miss you, Mom. I miss everybody.
Hi, Dad.
A cousin. I miss everybody in the world who's in the army. And I miss you so much, Daddy. I hope you can come home soon. So much. I love you. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, I miss you a lot. And this week, this is my last week of school, Daddy. And I hope I get to see you soon. And Daddy, I hope you come home really soon so you can play with us and do all that fun stuff. Every ball's going to be it this week. Yeah. And Dale can look me up and I can do it. I can look.
You're light.
No. Daddy, I miss you so much. So much. I hope you come home soon. I love you so much. So much. To me, Mama, Daddy, love you. And when you come home, we're going to have a party just for you.
Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut yesterday. And Dad, knock knock. I know you say who's there. A cow. A cow who? A cow poops on your head.
Dada, I love you so much. Come home soon. I love you. I love you so much. Bye bye. School.
So the month goes by fast, so you can come home soon. And I pray to God you can come home sooner. Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. We're going to see you soon. It's Richard's birthday today.
I love you so much.
Finally, fine. Like
when I get home, I can go in custard.
Yeah. Bye, Dad. I hope you have a good day.
And these are my cookies for my class.
What? This is it, Dad. So this is the toy I want you to print. This dude. Right here. This dude. What? I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? So I'm just going to say, I hope you're having good dreams and I hope you have a good time, Dad. Bye. I'm riding my scooter right now.